Hello, it's Steve from Steve Honeybee Farm. Okay, today I'll be sharing with you what is the method of using a honeycomb queen cage. This is a honeycomb queen cage, okay, and this is the base. You will have a base attached to it. Okay, this is the complete set. And today I'll be caging few queen because I don't have much space, so I will need to cage them. Okay, for example, this one, I need to take it out. Okay, put it aside first. I need to have a wax foundation, small one, because this not really standard. Okay, it will fall off after you put it in, so I'll need a wax. This is not necessary if your queen cell is fitted inside. So I'll need a little help of the wax, so it will stick. Okay, so you insert it into the honeycomb queen cage, and you can notice that there is a lid on it. Okay, what to do with this lid? I have prepared some candy, so you will just need to insert the candy into the groove of the honeycomb queen cage. So don't put too much, just enough, just nice. Okay, then tuck it in. So later we'll catch few bees, 3 to 4 bees put inside, and the queen will emerge tomorrow. Okay, no doubt this is I think this is the shortest video I share, but I hope this can help you in your beekeeping. Okay, and help me to share this video if you think that it really helps you, and subscribe to my channel for later update of how to DIY in your beekeeping. Okay, thank you. Bye. This is the candy, okay? Few more second to 3 minutes. Okay, bye.